Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got an unboxing of an East Oak 30-inch electric smoker, and I've been waiting a while to get myself a smoker, and I just wanted something a little bit easier to start out with. So this is sort of a set it and forget it, sort of a smoker. Um, so here we got some paperwork as soon as you open it up, right at the top. And we got some other packaging here with some styrofoam. Again, this is the East Oak 30-inch electric smoker. So it's got a big piece of styrofoam on the top. Now the smoker comes packaged in a piece of plastic. Um, I was checking the weight of it, and I decided to cut the side of the box to be able to take out the smoker a little bit easier. Because to be honest with you, lifting it straight up out of the box like that is going to be hard. And as you can see, you want to give yourself a good amount of space to just work around and get everything unboxed. So again, this is an electric smoker. It has a convenient side wood chip loader, and it has a 725 square inches of cooking, which is reasonable. I think it's pretty good to start out with. So here, it's easier to take out of the box after cutting the side open. We got a bunch of styrofoam on the sides, and it's all taped up all the way around. So I'm just going to cut all the way around to get the tape off. So I would say this thing is packaged pretty good because it's got styrofoam surrounding it all over. And it's got plastic around it too to protect it from dust and any other debris. So that's nice. So this has a digital control, and it has 4 removable racks. So when we get to that part, I'll show you what that looks like. And there it is. Very simple, pretty straightforward with the controls there. Getting this piece off, you just want to kind of maneuver it out of the bottom. I decided to just lift it right out. Now it's good to see this kind of packaging because usually when they ship this stuff gets tossed around. So as you can see, the styrofoam fits in pretty tightly with the shape of the smoker. And this is the first time opening it up. It's got 2 little tabs here at the door, so you're going to remove those. Inside, you're going to find a box. You're going to find some more styrofoam that keeps everything nice and tight in there. So what you want to do is you want to remove this box. You want to remove all the styrofoam. So I was pretty happy to get this thing because I've always wanted a smoker. I've had a grill for a while, but I always wanted to have that smoky flavor to my food. So we're going to cut open this box here. And inside this box, you're going to find 2 other boxes. So let's open up the first one. And we're going to see what's inside. All right. So we got a couple items in here. This is the first one. This is the second one. So in this first packaging here, we got a water pan. So that's to bring moisture into your smoker, just to keep the moisture in there. And in the second packaging, we have the wood chip holder. So that's where you're going to put your wood chips in. And that's pretty straightforward there. And that's what it says on there. It's designed for wood chips only. Don't put no wood chunks or pellets. Never use charcoal. So, and there's a nice handle for you to pull it out the side. So I'll put those there. Let's see what's in the next box. And there is some stuff underneath this other box, so we'll get to that. Let's cut this one open first. So, yep, you don't want to use charcoal in that wood chip holder because you'll cause a fire. So, we got a drip pan in here. And let me open it up, show you guys what the drip pan looks like. Now, this is actually a grease trap or grease holder. So all the grease just kind of collects in that pan. And here's a handle, and that handle goes in the back of the smoker. So you can attach a handle to easily move the smoker around. And this pan goes above that grease pan. So this basically catches all the grease and it funnels into that other pan. And then finally, in the bottom of this box, you've got your racks. And there's 4 racks in here. So I'll leave that packaged up. But there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, yep, that's pretty much it. That's the entire unboxing of this East Oak electric smoker. And I'm going to make a video of how to set it up to use it. And we're actually going to show you guys a video of making some stuff in here, doing some brisket, some ribs, some nice chicken, and we'll see how this thing does. So there it is. That's a nice latch right there. That's where the wood chip holder goes. Overall, I think it has a nice size to start out with, and you could generally make anything in there. So that's it. I'd like to thank you guys for joining me. Please like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to make more videos like this one. I'll see you guys on the next one.